American public education underwent a profound transformation in the second half of the 20th century. So right away, you might notice that it tells us there was this profound transformation, but this sentence doesn't tell us what the transformation is. So that's a really good question to ask. What was that transformation? And if we employ the strategy of assuming that this article makes sense, then we know we just need to keep reading to find out what it is. It's actually a good opening tactic because it makes us curious. We want to read on to know what this profound transformation was. So I'm going to read the next sentence in order to make sense of this first sentence. Spurred by the 1954 Supreme Court ruling in Brown v. Board of Education that separate schools for Black and white students are inherently unequal, schools were integrated to a degree unknown in the nation's history. So that's a long sentence. If we break it down a little bit, we have this spurred by. Tells us that they're about to explain what caused the profound transformation, the spurring of it, the initiating of it. So then this whole long rest of this section here till we get to the comma is telling us what spurred the transformation. So it was the 1954 Supreme Court ruling, and it tells us a little bit about what that ruling said. So that we know what Brown v. Board of Education means in case we don't remember that from our previous reading. And then it says schools were integrated to a degree unknown in the nation's history. So the transformation, the profound transformation, was caused by the court ruling, and the transformation was that schools were integrated. So that profound transformation was, in fact, school integration, specifically racial integration.